Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to set up Spark driver deposit. So guys, what you have to do, first log in your account on Spark driver. After that guys, after logging your account, you find this option login, click this login. After that guys, click on this option manage your earning account, and after that all you have to do, click on manage your earning account, and after that guys, click this option, enter your your bank account details to set up the deposit, and after that enter bank details. From here guys, enter your bank details, your routing number, check your account type, and then confirm your routing number. And after that guys, click submit your information, your deposit information, and this will done guys. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys, then below in the comment.